I think once we find out how time works, if you know what I mean. Not like
you know that time can be affected by gravity.
I didn't. Okay.
Have you ever seen Interstellar?
No.
Oh fuck! Good film. Watch it. Wait. In that film, they explore how basically Earth is going to shit. They have to move somewhere else, and then that's what there's a wormhole by Saturn. And they go through the wormhole, and there's several planets. Blah 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 blah. Anyway, it's near a black hole, and so there's huge gravity. And there's this one planet that's so close. Every hour on the planet is 7 years back on Earth. Basically.
Right. Okay. Hang on. So you're saying that? Well, I say you're saying
time can be
so
stretched
time
and
can
compressed
be
by gravity.
changed by gravity.
Yeah.
But okay. So I feel like. Okay. Do you think time travel is possible? I say yes. But
backwards, probably not. No.
You don't think you can go backwards in time?
No.
You think you can jump forward?
I think you can go forwards. Well, no, because you remember they were talking.
Hang on.
Wait, a couple of years ago.
No.
Okay, go on.
Because forwards hasn't happened. How can you go forwards and make it all happen?
What do you mean?
I feel like if anything, backwards time travel can happen, but not forwards.
Well, I think we can tell that backwards can't happen, because nobody has come back and proved it can happen. But
that's not necessarily
that's
true.
so stupid. But they were saying a few years ago that
Because the forwards hasn't happened yet.
traveling at or very close, like 99.999% of the speed of light, can speed up time. Because time, I was saying time is relative.
Right.
So on this planet in Interstellar, every hour is 7 years back on Earth because time is compressed so much, stretched so much. It's slowed down so much by the gravity of this black hole they're orbiting that being down on the planet stretches your time. So you're there, you will have aged an hour, whereas somebody back on Earth will have aged 7 years.
Playing this while I'm talking.
Well, when you want to talk, I can play. Do you have anything you want to say?
No, carry on.
Okay. So it stretches time over an hour and 7 years. And they were saying, obviously, it's impossible to move anything with mass at the speed of light because if the energy it would take to move something at the speed of light is infinite.
Right.
And then you can't have infinite energy.
But I swear, oh no, they didn't, did they?
What?
Sorry.
What?
I was going to say they found something that moved faster than the speed of light, but they didn't because it made shortcuts, didn't it? In the what do you call it?
Oh right, yeah. They were.
What do they call it?
The neutron, the protons going around at 99.9% the speed of light in CERN.
Yeah.
That's the fastest we've ever made anything go. We can't make something go faster than that because we don't have the energy to speed up faster than that because energy cannot be created or destroyed.
Mate, I stopped.
No, you know that energy cannot be
stopped
created.
physics.
You know
yes.
that energy cannot be created or destroyed.
Okay, no, I do.
And it can be changed. And we need infinite energy put into this object, if it has any mass, to make it move at the speed of light.
Right.
But there isn't infinite energy in the universe. The entire universe, every supernova, every star, anything, there is not infinite energy. There's a finite energy.
So there is actually a certain amount of energy.
There's a certain amount of energy in the universe.
I'm building
Okay.
my energy.
I'm sort of changing topics, and this is sort of another huge topic. Have you ever heard of the thermodynamic death?
Bro,
of the universe?
why are we going so deep? What is the next question?
Because YOLO. Have you ever heard of the thermodynamic death of the universe?
No.
Basically, that means that all energy has transferred into heat. So like this TV is on, and the waste energy is the heat the TV is emitting. We don't need that energy. We want the light energy and the sound energy, which is what we're using electrical energy. We're turning it into sound and light to reset with us. But it's creating heat, which is a waste energy, which is unavoidable. So the thermodynamic death of the universe is where every point in the universe is at the same temperature, and all the energy, there's no kinetic energy, there's no gravitational energy, nothing. It's all heat. And so, nothing can happen because it can't be exchanged. Energy can't be exchanged. So that's and we're leading that. It's gonna happen.
What do you mean? It's gonna happen.
I mean, it's going to happen.
Yeah. I feel like I need to take it back.
In several hundred billion years, all the energy, because like when I'm moving my hand, that's creating heat energy, which isn't I'm not using heat energy to transfer it back to any other kind of energy. I mean, we can change heat back. I don't really control. Oh yeah, I did. We can change heat back into electrical, which is what geothermal generators do, but not 100% efficiency.
Oh shit! I jumped out the car.
Good job.
I tried to.
But not 100% efficiency. So we'll always get the waste products. We cannot change all of the heat energy back into electrical energy. So at some point in the future, the entire universe, all of existence will be at the same temperature, and there will be no exchange of energies and transformation of energies. And so
it will all be heat.
It will all be.
Is that fact?
Still, I'm pretty sure that. I think it's
theory.
I think it's theory. I'm pretty sure. I haven't looked into this for a couple of years, but I'm pretty sure it's still theory. But it's pretty well thought out. Well, theory is the highest prestige an idea can have.
Before fact.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Theory is the highest prestige an idea can have. And so it's a pretty well respected theory that at some point in 100 billion years.
Well, to be fair, that makes sense in a way.
It does, doesn't it?
Because whenever you're using energy, you heat up.
Yeah. Kinetic energy, electrical energy,
It all turns into heat.
Yeah. No matter how efficient it is, it cannot be 100% efficient. So it always turns.
There's always waste energy in everything.
Yeah. Let's see what number 4 is.
What the fuck?
So anyway, how has your sugar been going?
Yeah, not good.
Oh yeah, I remember what we're talking about. Sorry. So as I was saying,
Religion.
Religion, yeah. I gave up sugar for the sake of a religious event, which I just used an excuse to test myself, but I can't fucking do it.
I can.
Can you?
Honestly, I didn't even
Mate,
kind of struggle.
4 days in.
I don't like sugar as it is.
No, you do.
Something I am 4 days in.
Yes. And as I was saying, 4 days in, I was like, cool, I can do this.
Oh.
8 days in, which is today, earlier, I was so angry.
That you start punching.
I was so angry that I started beating the shit out of my bed.